Josiah is part of the production team. He's quiet, but he warms up to you a little bit when you get to know him, and I'm a little biased because we're both from Omaha, Nebraska, so got a little bit of similar background.
So I'm batching, mixing, pouring into the molds. They're banging out right now. I do that as well. We run them through the wrapper. Sometimes I help with the packing. Usually that's Ellen, and I might get into the shirts if Bryson ever teaches me. So.
Josiah. Let me tell you about Josiah. Josiah's got really long hair, and he just don't care.
We are so excited to have Josiah on our team. I was lucky enough to actually meet Josiah outside of the Keto Brick building compound, and we thought very highly of him. We were really excited to bring him on. He went through the entire interview process, did amazing, and he's very quiet, but has a great personality, and he's actually super, super smart. You just have to get to know him a little bit before he'll actually show you how smart he is.
Josiah, really quiet when you first meet him, but I've kind of cracked that shell over the last, how long he's been with us? 4 months or so now?
No, Josiah's awesome. He's super quiet. Josiah, we gotta get you talking more, man. I don't know what's going on in that head of yours half the time. The wheels are spinning up there. I don't know what you're thinking.
Everyone gets along, everyone's nice. We all kind of have a relationship. It's cool that we work out together. It's cool that we're doing MMA. I mean, yeah, it's one of the better places I worked for sure, probably on the top. I am a Christian. Jesus is a big part of my life, very important to me, and I think that the world needs to know about Jesus, you know? So I think missions is probably in my future, try to get the word out on the gospel message.
So it's pretty cool. He's really quiet, gets his work done. We don't really talk a lot.
He's pleasant to be around. He doesn't talk a whole lot, which can be a really good thing.
Yeah, I like Josiah. He hits a little hard in MMA. We have to work on that some.
He's got really cool hair. It's really long, and he can deadlift quite a bit.
You're a hard worker, you're disciplined, you're dedicated, and you're strong as hell. And that makes me mad because you're stronger than me. You got me beat on squat, you got me beat on deadlift. I think I may have you on bench press, but you got me on squat and deadlift.
You got to have good form lifting around him because he's not shy to give you pointers, which is great feedback.
We play disc golf with each other every Thursday. We talk quite a bit while we're at work. He helps me out with working out, tips and tricks and stuff like that.
It's been such a joy to have him so far, and can't wait to see where we go with him.
I appreciate you, man. You're a hard worker, you're a hustler, you're kicking butt in the kitchen making the bricks, and we are very fortunate to have you. Glad you're part of the team.